beautiful island of Mallorca. Wow. This morning we are going on a boat cruise, I guess, right. Like a half day.
Then we get food, we get drinks, we get to jump in the water off the boat, and go to an island.
Salud! Vámonos! Vámonos! Guys, this is life.
I was taking pics. We're really living our life out here. We're literally just like in the middle of all these cliffs, like insane. It's just being casual, you know?
This is the life.
Come on, Emma.
Pretty deep, y'all. Can't even touch the bottom. Look how close we're getting to a cave. Emma saw fish. She's so scared. Okay, bye, Emma. 40 degrees. We made it to the beach, y'all. Finally got some umbrellas. You know the stress we went through to get
It was a lot. It was literally walking around this whole city trying to find some umbrellas.
Morning. We are in a car.
Yeah, we
Wow.
went to the car.
I thought we were in a boat.
Going to in the north part of the island. The island is really small. I mean,
Guys.
it's only an hour.
We're passing through the Love Island villa.
Let's see if we see it.
Okay, not through. Driving right through their villa, like.
Right through, like, see security. Hola.
We
Guys, we're
arrived.
here.
That was like an hour and what, 15 maybe? 15-minute drive. We're gonna go to the beach.
We're at the beach. Beautiful, guys. Okay, look at this parking.
What beautiful park. Yeah, they have shade for your car. That's actually really nice.
Really nice.
Time for the beach.
Let's go get away. They say what they gonna say. Look at this crystal clear blue water. So clear. Ciao. I'll take you guys with me. Water is like nice and chilly. But it feels good because it's freaking like probably 38 here.
Beach hopping. We're on beach number 2. Let's see where we are. Because right now it looks like we're in the middle of nowhere. So
I don't know where we are.
let's see.
At least parking was free.
Love free. Oh, look at that water.
Oh, this is insane.
Guys,
Big place.
it's like literally,
It's slippery.
oh my gosh.
It's literally, look how clear
Bro.
the water is. What the heck?
It just looks so fake.
It literally looks like a pool.
So in Rome, we visited the Spanish Steps. No, those are not Spanish Steps. These are Spanish Steps, okay? We had to freaking walk on rocks and they were falling and it's really scary. Now we're on this mossy rock.
We're at Cala Llombards.
This is our third beach of the day.
The last one was the hike. This is right by the parking. So I like.
And there's lots of sand to sit on. Which I forgot that floating stool.
Nachos deluxe.
Oh my god, guys, this is huge. Calamari, or nachos, calamari, oh my gosh.
It's better than the steamed one.
Good morning! We are at Cala Mayor Beach. The seaweed came a little bit, so it's not as clear here, but it's still so nice. It's literally so hot today. Like we said, it's like almost basically 50 degrees, probably what it feels like. Swimming, I don't think I've ever seen this many people in the water just because it is so hot today. These waves came out of nowhere. Woo! Bro, that was scary. Oh my god, those were big. Got our food.
Can I have one bite of chicken?
We're sitting by the beachfront and we're still waiting for our paella. It's almost time. Guys, sorry, filming. It's almost time for the paella.
Paella con lechuga.
Sí.